Evening, the Honorable Miss Maria Assunti. On this occasion, we are from Engineering English class 1 to present our work. Our presentation is about AMM Labnos window install procedure on remote procedure. First, let me introduce my group mates. I am Rasyid Sidiq, and this is Michael, Antonius Nainggolan. So, and today we're gonna discuss about AMM Labnos window install procedure and remove procedure. Can you share screen, Marcia? Okay, thank you. Labnos window install procedure. Condition required: the helicopter must be in a safe condition for maintenance or repair. There are several core equipment and supporting equipment needed for the installation of the Labnos window, namely spatula and lint-free cloth fabric that can be cleaned perfectly because it does not live on the cleaner area. Then a sealant. Then the procedure that must be carried out include: 1. Make sure the gasket is properly attached to the window. Clean the window frame with a lint-free cloth. Then put the window into the right position on the window frame. Clean the window surface with a lint-free cloth. Apply the sealant using spatula. Then attach the window to window frame using a total of 27 screws. Then tighten 27 screws. Apply the sealant using a spatula between the window surface and the washer. Attach the window to the window frame using the part washer for screw. Tighten the screw. The final step is to collect all the items, sand tool, and clean the work area. Go ahead, Mike. It's your turn.
Left nose windows remove procedure. Important things that should not be missed when carrying out the procedures. When opening the left windows on helicopter, there are several things that must be considered, including: first, consider require helicopter must be in safe condition when they want to carry out maintenance. Second, support equipment, plastic scraper. Third, identify the installation position for proper installation. The procedures that must be carried out include: first, remove the 4 screws attached to the window and the window frame. Second, remove the sealant from the surface between the washer and the windows using a plastic scraper. Third, remove the core washer. Fourth, remove the 27 screws attached to the windows. Fifth, remove the sealant from the surface joining the windows and the window structure and frame. Six, remove the sealant using a plastic scraper. 7. Remove the windows from the windows frame carefully. Okay, I think that's all presentation from us about AMM left nose windows install procedure and remove procedure. I represent my friends. Apologize if there is a misspelling of word because we are still learning. Thank you for your attention, Miss. I hope you have a nice and healthy day. Good morning, Miss. Thank you.